guys, we just got to Tyrell's. Apparently the CRV is fixed, so let's pick that up. What in tarnation? Alright guys, what's up? We're out here at the farm with Nick. We're working on the turbo Civic. We got new calipers, Brembo brake pads, and drilled and slotted rotors we're throwing on. So we just started a couple minutes ago here. We got the wheel off, and I've never done brakes, so Nick's just kind of giving me the rundown on what to do, and we're gonna get these done and then hopefully do some Civic pulls. Also today, I picked up my CRV back up for my buddy Tyrell. We did the rear axles on that, brake calipers, brake pads, bunch of shit. We fixed the ECU, so I think it's running a bit better there. So yeah, keep you guys updated on how these brakes go. Alright guys, how's it going? We got the pads off, and yeah, they're screwed. Got the old caliper off. Just working on getting the rotor off here. Boom. Boom. Oh. We got the new rotor chilling there, and we're just putting the new caliper together. Got the old shit sitting here, looking horrible. We got Brembo brake pads, some new performance calipers, powder coated red obviously, and then we got drilled and slotted rotors. One side down, one to go. Everything's mint. Mint, everything is shiny, slotted, nice and shiny red. Powder coated, bro.
It matches the car, man.
For once, I didn't cheap out on parts. I mean, I had pads for this, but I think I remember paying $7 for them.
And I was trying to convince you to cheap out. Oh, yeah, bro, they're still fine. You could have gotten away with that.
Oh, yeah, by the way, guys, this brake is seized.
Yeah, there's no pads, bro.
No, this brake is seized, and I had to, like, drive it in here with a seized brake.
Yeah,
so
you can see the shavings, metal shavings from scraping and eating it.
Yeah. Beautiful.
Nice. Oh, that sounds great. No, it's not metal to metal at all, guys. Oh. Yeah, I want to hoop for this one though.
Yeah.
You should move that quick.
Anyways, this one's seized. I got the wheel off. This is all our new stuff. And we're gonna do this side. We got one side done, and then you already know we're doing pulls. Pulls with your boy. Alright guys, so Nick put me to work here, and I got that shit off. And I don't really see a difference. I think these look kind of crappy. So I'm probably gonna put these ones back on. What do you guys think? Anyways, yeah, we got the one side done. We're working on this side now, and there's the difference.
Yeah, that's brutal, bro.
That's
straight metal to metal.
That's not ideal.
There's no pad left there.
Susan doesn't like that. Susan likes that a lot. Let's get it. How's that one look?
That one still, see, that one still's a bit.
Yeah, that's not horrible, but it's not good.
I mean, it moved.
There you go. Take them right out.
Yeah, both of them.
Okay.
And then the rotor will slide off.
That's a good idea. It'll pull. There you go. Well, it's, yeah.
Not the best looking thing.
Definitely say it's a good thing you're replacing that too.
Alright, I'll go show you guys the new one. Alright guys, what's up? We got the other side done, the passenger side. Got it all finessed and cleaned up a bit, and we just got that valve open there. So I'm just gonna hop in the car so we can bleed the brakes. So I'll hop in and we'll do that right now. And then she's all ready to go. We should be able to do some pulls. Just gonna pump the brakes up here, and then when I have pressure, I'll let Nick know. Alright guys, we just bled the brakes there, we were out of fluid, so we had no pressure. So we just bled them. They're all good, and I'm gonna top this off and put the wheels back on, and we're good to go. I really hope that wasn't a cop behind us. It's like a white F-150, but I don't think it was a cop. I didn't think about that when I smacked into fourth.
That was savage.
I mean, it wouldn't be hard to get away from it, but yeah, that was pretty savage. No, this thing goes in fourth.
Yeah. That's like my Max Mustang speed, and I hit it in forever.
Alright, what's up guys? We're just in the turbo Civic. We changed the brakes, the brake pads, calipers, and rotors on both sides, and got it all done actually, thanks to Nick here. Helped me out and showed me what we were doing. So we got that done, and now we're just stripping the Civic and doing some pulls. So yo, what is going on YouTube? Alright, what's up YouTube? We got my glove box out because it's been stuck for like 4 years, and there's actually a mouse nest in it, so that's disgusting. Because this thing gets stored over winter, and I guess the mice got in here. Well, I knew they got in here because I had to clean it, but I didn't think there was a mouse nest in my glove box, so I couldn't open it. But we got that off, and where is the airbag delete tray? I don't even know.
I just had it.
Me too. It's on. Okay, found it. We're gonna put this airbag delete tray in right on Nick's head. So we're gonna throw that in. We got my glove box out, so I'm gonna clean that out, throw that back in. And if it'll latch, I don't know. We kind of broke it. We'll see. Who knows?
No, it'll work. We'll get it back in.
Okay, we'll get it.
It
maybe.
won't open again?
Okay, well then I don't want it.
Why?
Let's just leave it with no glove box.
Why? No, you could just break it off. Oh, there we go, bro. I'm getting it. See? Are you psyched?
Sick. I'm psyched. We're gonna get this airbag delete tray in. Also, we we were just doing mad pulls with my new brakes. I'll give you a tour. Car's dirty, but you get the gist. Look at these puppies. Brembo drilled and slotted rotors. They look savage, and they stop hard too. Look at, here's a beast here. The old Civic. The Civic that couldn't, or could, depending on what you want to look at. But yeah, here she is. New brakes, and we did those today, and we were just doing mad pulls, and it stops and goes. Check it out. Official Brembo sticker right beside my bird poop. So yeah, let's get this airbag delete tray in. Homie there, Nick there, guys, gonna pop this thing out.
It's actually a lot harder than it looks.
Alright guys, what's up? We got the airbag right there, and we're just gonna put this airbag delete tray in. It's just 2 screws, and then that'll just plop into that hole in the dash. Shall be solid.
You don't have the screws though.